Hello students, today we are going to talk about pollution. What do you mean by pollution? So pollution is the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that cause adverse change. So pollution can take the form of chemical substances or energy such as noise, heat or light pollutants. Okay. So pollutants, the components of pollution can be neither foreign substances, energies or naturally occurring contaminants. So pollution is often classed as point source or non-point source pollution. Okay. So major form of pollution include air pollution, light pollution, okay, noise pollution, plastic pollution, soil contamination, radioactive contamination, thermal pollution, visual pollution, water pollution, okay, the many types. So these are the major forms of pollution. So today we are going to talk about these three things: air pollution. Okay, what is air pollution? The release of chemicals and particulates into the atmosphere. Common gaseous pollutants include carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons like CFCs, and nitrogen oxides produced by industry and motor vehicles. So photochemical ozone and smog are created as nitrogen oxides, and hydrocarbons react to sunlight. So like that particulate matter or fine dust is characterized by their micrometer size like PM10 to PM2.5. Okay, and then we have to talk about noise pollution, which encompasses roadway noise, aircraft noise, industrial noise, as well as high intensity sonar. Okay, and then the main important pollution is water pollution. By the discharge of industrial wastewater from commercial and industrial waste intentionally or through spills into surface waters, discharges of untreated sewage and chemical contaminants such as chlorine from treated sewage. So these kind of release of waste and contaminants into surface runoff flowing to surface waters, okay, like chemical fertilizers and pesticides, also including human feces from open defecation. Okay, and then still a major problem in many developing countries like groundwater pollution from waste disposal and leaching into the ground, including from pit latrines and septic tanks, etc. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the major forms of pollution, like you see. So look at the picture carefully, and first we have to talk about the pollution: air, water and land. So choose the answers from the word bank and write it below the corresponding picture. Okay, now see this picture. First you see the look at the picture. First we discuss about air pollution and the water pollution. The first this one is, the second one is deforestation. Look at the picture. This is deforestation. Okay, and then this is vehicle smoke. See, this is vehicle smoke. Okay, these are air pollution. This vehicle smoke is air pollution. Deforestation also air pollution, and land pollution also. And then see this is we called as, look at this. This one is the industrial wastes. Okay, these are the industrial wastes go to the mixing with water is called as water pollution. And then this is oil spill, also the water pollution. It pollute the water. And then you see this is sewage waste. Sewage mixed with water. These are the water pollution. These are the air pollution. Finally this air pollution is factory fumes. Okay, this is factory fumes, deforestation, vehicle smoke. Okay, these are the air pollution, and this one water pollution, the example for water pollution. And you see we talk about the cause of noise pollution. This is look at the picture. These are the moving and honking vehicles, and this is noise pollution, very noise for. And then you see the flying aeroplanes sound is a noise pollution. And then you see the industrial production also It pollute the noise, okay, noise pollution. And then what is meant by land pollution? Like throwing waste in the street, it's also land pollution. And then chemical substances that polluted the land. Okay. Okay. So sources and cause. You see, air pollution comes from both natural and human-made sources. However, globally, human-made pollutants from combustion, construction, mining, agriculture, and warfare are increasingly significant in the air pollution equation. Okay. Okay, students. So about 400 million metric tons of hazardous wastes are generated each year. Okay, so the United States alone produces about 250 million metric tons, like American constitute less than 5% of the world's population. Okay. Okay. But if you see, they produce roughly 25% of the world's carbon dioxide and generally approximately 30% of world's waste. In 2007, China overtook the United States as the world biggest producer of carbon dioxide, like CO2, while still for the begin based on per capita pollution ranked 78th among the world nation. So these some of the more common soil contaminants are chlorinated hydrocarbons like CFH. So heavy metals like chromium, cadmium found in rechargeable batteries. Okay. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.